Ding, ding, ding. This following match is a singles match. Ding. Matt Hardy and John Morrison. Oh, with the right hand. Oh, with another time. Oh, off the ropes. Oh. Try to pick him up. Oof. Oof. Kick, leg drop. Oh, put Matt Hardy in the turnbuckle corner. John Morrison going off the ropes. Matt Hardy jumps out. What is it? Oh, just throws him. Oof. Oof. Oh, get it, Jay. Oh. Oh, just put him down.
Guys, the pizza's down.
There we go. Oh my gosh. I know. Oh. Terminator. Off the ropes. Oh, going for pin. 1, 2, kick out. Oh, uppercut. John Morrison going for the pin. 1, 2, oh, kick out. Matt Hardy's going for it. Twist of fate. John Morrison on the ground. He's going for the pin. 1, 2. John Morrison manages to kick out. He goes up. He goes off the ropes. Jumps. Oh, DDT. He's going up. Off the turnbuckle. What a fly maneuver. Going for the pin. 1, 2. Jeff Hardy breaks it up. Try helps his brother. Oof. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, jeez. Oh. What? Just throws him out. The winner of this match is John Morrison. John Morrison doesn't care. He wants revenge. Oh, just sets him up the ladder. Here, oh, DDT hit the ladder. What is he doing? Oh, what a maneuver. Dun, 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 dun. I'm looking. Gotta find me. Oh, right now.